Okay, so as I was saying, the arithmetic mean, which is a vocabulary term, is simply the average of two numbers. Add those two numbers up, divide by 2. When would we use the arithmetic mean? In circumstances such as what we see on the board, where instead of missing 2 or more terms, we're only missing 1 term. So it's actually a simpler process. All you need to do is take the 2 terms that you know, add them up, divide by 2. Your answer is the term that is missing. The answer is 37.
So you can only do that when 1 term is missing.
Right. When you have more than 1 term missing, then you have to go to the formula that we worked on Friday. Okay, does anybody have any questions about this? Okay, why don't you work on the problem that says classwork. Today's going to be a light day. You guys will have ample time to work on your homework with Excel. Will be easy. Okay. The other part of today is actually the same as what we did on Friday. The only difference between Friday and this is, of course, this is a word problem. And instead of them giving you the order of the terms, you just sort of have to figure it out. But it's really easy because they tell you the first row has 14, the second row has 16. So there are the first 2 terms in my sequence. So again, we want to find the common difference. So what do? We subtract the value of the second term from the value of the first term. 16 minus 14 gives me 2. I then apply that to my explicit formula, which again is what we did on Friday. Here I want to know what is a sub, I want to know 13th row, so it's a sub 13. The value of my first row is how many? That's a question.
Wait.
How many seats in the first row?
13.
How many?
13.
No.
14. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Duh.
I'm so sorry.
And then and the number of rows. 13 minus 1 times the common difference of 2. 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 14 plus 24 gives you your answer of 38.
What's the subscript on the second page?
Well, that's just here.
Yeah.
Oh, just 1. In case you forget that it's the first term. I don't know why the formula doesn't have that, because it should. So you don't have to specifically remember that it's the first term.
Right.
Well, I added it.
I like that.
Any questions? Any questions?